So first thing, you need to buy a domain such as GoDaddy or Hostinger or any other domain register. So you need to log into your blog. Okay, and after that you need to go to settings. Then if you scroll down here somewhere, you'll be able to see custom domain under publishing. Right now this is the default blogger address, and we can set up a custom domain here. So I need to enter the address of the custom domain here. So for that I will use this one. So I'm going to use this domain, so let me just paste this here and I'll click save. So I'm getting this message: blogs may not be hosted at naked domains such as this. Please add top level domain. So we need to enter www dot whatever is the domain name. I'll click save. Now once we click save, we get another message that Blogger is not able to verify the authority of this domain, so we need to enter two CNAMEs, this one and this one. Okay, so we can copy this and open up a notepad and paste it here. We will need it later. So this is the first CNAME and this is the second CNAME. Okay, so where do we add this? We have to add these two CNAMEs in the domain management system, in the DNS of the domain. So if you want to check out more details, you can open this link and see how to add the CNAMEs in the DNS management. So for this you need to log into the website where you have bought your domain, and you must have got some instructions from the service provider once you buy the domain. So I'll click on manage. You need to log into that site, and what we are interested in is the DNS. So I'll click on DNS, and right now these are the DNS entries. So we need to enter two CNAMEs, so I'll click CNAME here, and the name should be www. Target means destination is this, and we can leave this as default and record. Okay, we are unable to add that because we already have a CNAME with www, so we can edit this, and the target will be this one. I'll just leave this to default for now. Great. Okay, so we have a CNAME with this entry. The next CNAME that we need to add is this. Copy CNAME and destination, and record. DNS record added successfully. So these are the two entries we just did right now. Okay, all right, now let's go back to this entry here. Now In order to redirect a URL without the subdomain, which is this, to your blog URL, we need to enter more DNS entries here, which are A records. Okay, so we just need to copy these IP addresses and enter 4 A records. So let me copy this first, copy and go here, A record. So we have made the necessary changes in the DNS, and the propagation will take some time. So after that you can test. After that you can come back to Blogger and enable this redirect domain, and we can test now. As you can see, when we browse the Blogger blog, it's opening with the custom domain now. After your initial testing, come back to Blogger and enable HTTPS availability. But as you can see, the status is pending. It is still under process. So when I try to browse the website, it says secure connection failed. So we need to wait for some time. So this HTTP availability takes some time. After waiting for about an hour, the status is now available. Sorry, the status is now available, and I can now enable redirect. When I view my blog, it's opening with HTTPS connection secure. Let's encrypt. Okay, so after you set up a custom domain with your blocker, when you enable HTTP availability, it takes some time, so just be patient. And after this you can enable HTTP redirect to HTTPS. Just need to toggle this. Okay, so now Blogger will automatically redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. So SSL is already applied, the HTTPS is available. So that's it guys, like we have covered in this video. First you need to purchase a domain and then link your domain to Blogger, and Blogger will tell you to add some CNAME and a record in DNS of the domain. So you need to go back to your domain controller or control panel where you can add those CNAME and a records. After that you can come back to Blogger and enable some settings like HTTP redirection, HTTPS availability, and stuff like that. So once you have done with that, your Blogger site is ready with your custom domain.